Morning everybody. Right, we've got an old muggy thou here. You saw me with carb over there. I'm going to do a cold start for it. See how it's all working. I've had issues with choke. I've had issues with choke cable. I've got a bit of dash to put back and you can have it back, but it's just the same old scenario. When I've got into the job, it was messed about with all over, and I've had to just put, I would say 80% of the job has been rectifying old work. So I'll give it a cold start, see what you think. Now listen, I'm going to crank her over and I'm not going to gear in a choke. I'm just going to let oil around because I don't know the engine and nothing like that, so I don't want to rattle her head off, and I'll just let it get a bit of oil pressure, then I'll get choke pull. So you might see me a minute to start, but it's just what I prefer. I don't know the car, so it's just what I'm going to do. See how we go. Oh, look at it. Nice job. It started straight away, but I don't know engine, so I just want the oil to get round. Last time was looking nice, but half short, but I don't think she'll take because she didn't try to fire at all, so she's not take no short. Well, that sounds sweet, that. I put 4 plugs in it as well, so you've just got a bit of an hesitation on number 2. I have noticed, I don't know if you can see me here, but it's just from your set of leads, it might be a tap and that, but I'll let Clyde deal with that. I've done bits that he's not really know what he was on with, so, but same old, same old. It's a lot of the issues, well, like I've said, 80% of the issues are through people not doing the job right, so just not idle that a bit. Nice. I'll show you this as well. Coming from the camera. Now you have this on end of your choke cable. Now this is nipple. I don't know how well you can see that, if you can get in focus, but I don't think we can we? See if I can beam in. Right, here we go. Right, this nipple for end of choke. And if you look, it's just a bolt with an hole in. Can you see the hole? And now when that were on, what it were actually doing was causing the cable to bend and buckle, which has in fact ruined the cable. So all the choke has been modified on this car. I had to put a pullback spring on, one of the secondary springs on the choke, because they removed it, and that were obviously because of this. So that's what you get through messing about with them and not knowing what you're doing. But this is the end result. Now she's idling away nicely. I'll feed her down. I know it's not the best video, I know you want to see car better built up, and I appreciate all that, but I have put it all on video. Setting that mixture's sweet, everything's right, but there were a lot of messing about, and I have done some videos that issues. But another thing with this car, it came in with a fuel leak. Now here's your carburetor and your exhaust there. That is the last thing you want. So you get any issues like fuel leaks like that, don't even drive it, don't even mess about. I'll show you the jet, I've got the jet somewhere. Nick, if you come back behind camera again, try again on this bit of slick video work. Now if you actually look at this jet, if you see here, it's all compressed and caved in. So that's why the car was running unbelievably lean, and he said it was pathetic, no power. So obviously, but nah, it don't matter because it's been rebuilt and put right. So, and idling away, she just hesitated a bit because she's still on her choke slightly. So I'll get a quick rev, let you hear her. Still been a bit cold, a bit everything. But choke's nearly off. So, mug it out, cold start after a carb rebuild. Give a like if you like the video. Subscribe. subscribe to the channel you want to see stuff like this. Out of breath now, what you know it. Then pass a comment you want to know. So, and also share videos about it, does help. So I know you keep going on about you want to see something on cars, we'll some on cars. I've got more detail on this car better rebuild, and I will post it in another video. So I've got an interesting video for you tomorrow. So keep watching, and thanks for watching. Take care everybody. Bye for now. I'll just add you this bit of a bonus. See, she's down on idle now. She's just got a little hesitation. She's not 100% warm, but she's not far. But she's just wanted to shame to show you on her idle, but she's on idle now. She's opened the start. She's starting to pass a bit of water around, but I think it could just do a set of leads. Number 2's just got a slight miss on it, but I put new plugs in, but I'm not going to further, so I haven't been instructed to so. Let you hear that moggy foul rasp. Thanks a lot again everybody anyway, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bit of a bonus bit on the end of that video. Thank you.